Does the choice of tool really matter to have good results in digital marketing? The answer, of course. Just as a tool is important for any profession, digital marketing is no different. For a truck driver, is it important to have a reliable truck? For a Formula One racer, is it important to have the best machine? For a surgeon, is it important to have a high-precision tool? For digital marketers, is it important to have a page that loads fast? Is it important to have a system that allows you instant editing? Is it important for your emails to reach your customer's inbox? Is it important to have an automated system to promote and sell hundreds of products on a daily basis? Of course it is. When we talk about digital marketing tools, we're talking about structure, the structure of your business, which is key for your success. The more tools you have, the more strategies you can create. When choosing a tool or a platform, always choose the one that offers more resources, social proof, and enough time in the industry to prove its reliability. But above all, be careful with all the girls out there. All our tools are available with some sort of trial. So register today and put our tools to the test so you can better decide which is the best platform for your goals.
Do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams